Na omuntu murigereri tukorigoro ase omochi obosongo nigo bakigirwa bere bo boibi banyatoka bako kubyara chingakia abanyimbo barengeso bolendi banyatoka ba ambako banyora babere babwate pigipigi ase banyatoka bako bekubyara na gusiekerwa ase egetaseni giasuneka kolengana amo no monene bo banyanyimbo gose mu county commander Charles Kases nigo bere abo batogeta bwate ebunduki na boigo amasasi amo na boigo ebyoma ao byobokurumi nigo boigo omo county commander Charles Kases aboliri abantu kwerenda na kuba maiso ase chinga kechiga obo salie bogenderete.
Mr. Charles Kases, the county police commander Kisii County, and with me is the CCIO Kisii County, Madam Catherine, AP Commander Mr. Kiterio, and the DCIO Kisii Central. At this point, I would like to inform you and the members of public and the entire residents of Kisii County that yesterday at around 21:50 hours we were able to get a breakthrough on our operations, which was of course led by the DCI as our lead investigation agency. In our operation that we were able to arrest 2 suspects within Kisii town near Texas petrol station. That is the junction heading to Nyamataro and Marani area. This is after an extensive investigation for the robberies that have been taking place within Suneka area, within our M-Pesa agents, and we were able to arrest 2 suspects who were on our radar. One, namely James Ocheng, who was the rider, and a pillion passenger, namely Gerald Okumu, both aged 35 years. And upon search, we were able to recover a pistol, Mek Banadeli, with 5 rounds of ammunition from the rider. And also we were able to recover 4 improvised metal bars from the pillion passenger, and these metal bars are able to fire rounds. These suspects are now in our custody, pending to be arraigned before courts. Again, today we were able to make a miscellaneous application. We are requesting for 30 days because we also suspect these criminals are engaged in criminal activities within the neighboring counties.